Hey guys, my bike needed a new air filter, so all my mates and the internet recommends to go for K&N, which is a lifetime air filter that you can get, meant to give you better horsepower on it, and it lasts up to 75,000 miles. They do recommend to clean it after 50,000 miles, but yeah, meant to be a really good quality. There's a special oil that you can buy from them to use when you clean it up. It comes with instructions, very easy, 4 steps. Step 1, remove the old filter, put the new one in the correct way, put the lid back onto the airbox, and apply the sticker that reminds other people to not to dispose it off if someone else is servicing your bike. So here's me removing the old one. Very grotty, filthy. I did have to wait over a month to get this new one in, so yeah, I end up with a grasshopper here. Anyways, give the airbox a good clean while you're there, and yeah, this is it. So it goes with the flat part down, and it has its own channel there. Make sure when you install it, you install it with all these numbers, with the writing, the brand, and everything towards the back of the bike. So not towards the front. Just make sure you get it the right way in. Also, make sure it fits into the same channel that's designed for it. That's again really important. And then yeah, there's a little groove there for the immobilizer cable. Don't pinch it when you put the airbox back on. If you haven't done it before, that's the way to do it. And check from both sides. It's definitely the correct way in. Tidy up your cables nicely around the box. Yeah, don't forget about this sticker. The sticker is really a reminder for the next person who services the bike, whether it's yourself or your mechanic, just to make sure they don't dispose it off, because it doesn't need replacing anymore from this point on. Feel free to give the top of the box a good wipe and stick it really anywhere you want that is visible. I really hope it's helping the bike and it's doing a good job. I'm definitely gonna clean it more often than 50,000 miles, but yeah, let's see how it goes. Thanks for watching. Cheers.